Stop. If you're thinking about buying AiHost, there's something you need to know first. Because AiHost claims that you can host unlimited websites, create sales funnels, access premium AI tools, get business emails, SSL certificates, WordPress hosting and even website building features, without paying monthly hosting fees ever again? Well, I went through everything you need to know what's real, what's hype and whether it's actually worth your money. Know exactly whether AiHost is a hidden gem, or just another overhyped software launch. If you decide to grab AiHost through my link, you'll also receive my exclusive bonus package completely free. Let's get started. What is AiHost? AiHost is an all-in-one cloud hosting solution that allows users to host websites, create websites using AI, build funnels, install WordPress, manage domains and access a collection of premium AI tools from one dashboard. The platform claims to include unlimited website hosting, unlimited domains, unlimited bandwidth, website builder, funnel builder, business email accounts, SSL certificates, WordPress installer, DDoS protection, backups and security tools, commercial license included. Benefits: why people are interested. 1. Hosting costs add up quickly. Many website owners spend hundreds or even thousands of dollars every year on hosting, website builders, security plugins, funnel software and AI tools. AiHost attempts to combine all of those expenses into one platform. 2. Beginners don't want complicated setups. The platform includes a setup wizard designed to get websites online in minutes. 3. Marketers love the idea of having AI tools integrated directly into their hosting environment. Instead of paying separately for multiple subscriptions, everything is available inside one dashboard. And finally, the commercial license allows freelancers and agencies to offer hosting-related services to clients. Here's what you get inside AiHost: cloud hosting platform, unlimited website hosting, unlimited domain connections, unlimited bandwidth, website and funnel builder, business email creation, free SSL certificates, one-click WordPress installation, migration tools, security protection, backups, commercial rights and 24/7 support. Plus access to a collection of premium AI tools for content creation, graphics, marketing, coding, automation and website development. Honest pros and cons. Pros: beginner-friendly interface, website builder included, commercial license included, hosting plus AI tools in one place and no complicated technical setup. Cons: results depend on how effectively you use the platform. Some advanced users may still prefer specialized premium services for certain tasks. As always, software is only a tool. Success comes from implementation. Results: what to expect. AiHost is not a magic button that instantly creates income. If you're willing to build websites, create funnels, publish content and promote offers, AiHost can potentially save you significant time and ongoing software costs. And if you pick up AiHost through my link today, you'll receive these exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1: AI Website Profit Blueprint. Value: $297. Learn how to build simple affiliate websites, publish content faster, and monetize your traffic using proven methods that complement AiHost perfectly. Bonus 2: Traffic Accelerator Toolkit. Value: $297. Discover beginner-friendly traffic strategies that can help you drive visitors to your websites without relying solely on paid advertising. Total bonus value: $500 plus, and you'll get everything free when you secure AiHost through my link below. So, is AiHost worth it? If you like the idea of having hosting, AI tools, security, funnels, and website creation inside one platform, then AiHost is definitely worth considering. If you want to check out AiHost and claim all of my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.